Before the election, we, the integrity group, met in Abuja and we took a decision. We support the APC governors who came out boldly to say power must shift to the South for the unity of this country. And we also agreed we must vote for the South, no vote for any northern. We agreed so. If you check the pattern, we agreed. The South must come first, second in any state. And check all the voting patterns. If Labour wins here, APC will take second. If APC wins here, Labour will take second. That was our position. All my campaigns, nobody can say he had me. I abused Obi, or I abused Tinubu. I didn't do that.
Fact-finding mission, and we've been able to get the fact that the governor did not fight against Obi. The governor made us understand that he was fighting for his southern president, and that was it. He's not against who voted Obi or against who voted any other party. So we've been able to find out this, and also want to let our people, the Igbos, know that we are not at war with Rivers State government, and we are not at war with the governor. That every Igbo person should go back and think, and even the governorship candidate of PDP, same, has a relation in Igbo land. So we should go back and ensure that we support PDP in this forthcoming election. That's our stand, especially the Rivers State chapter. We are solidly behind the governorship candidate of PDP.